Good afternoon, everyone. Today, I would like to test your knowledge with a series of 10 multiple-choice questions. Each question will have 3 potential answers, and I'll give you a few seconds to choose the option that you believe is correct. Are you ready? Let's begin. Question number 1. Who lives at the following address, 10 Downing Street? A. U.S. President. B. French President. C. UK Prime Minister. UK Prime Minister. Question number 2. Which one of the following artists wasn't part of the Rolling Stones? A. Mick Jagger. B. Jimmy Page. C. Charlie Watts. Jimmy Page. Question number 3. What's Garfield's favorite food? A. Pizza. B. Lasagna. C. Burger. Lasagna. Question number 4. How many years did Nelson Mandela spend in prison? A. 7. B. 17. C. 27. Question number 5. What is the highest mountain in Japan? A. Mount Tate. B. Mount Kita. C. Mount Fuji. Mount Fuji. Question number 6. How high is Mount Everest? A. 5,849 m. B. 8,849 m. C. 7,849 m. (8,849 m). Question number 7. Which chemical element has Ag as a symbol? A. Gold. B. Silver. C. Iron. Silver. Question number 8. How many elements are there on the periodic table? A. 118. B. 78. C. 98. (118). Question number 9. When is St. Patrick's Day? A. March 7th. B. March 17th. C. March 27th. March 17th. Question number 10. Who painted Girl with a Pearl Earring? A. Johannes Vermeer. B. Vincent van Gogh. C. Leonardo da Vinci. Johannes Vermeer. Well done. You've completed the 10 multiple choice questions. Let's review the answers. Question number 1. Who lives at the following address, 10 Downing Street? The correct answer is C. UK Prime Minister. 10 Downing Street is the official residence and office of the UK Prime Minister. Question number 2. Which one of the following artists wasn't part of the Rolling Stones? The correct answer is B. Jimmy Page. Jimmy Page was not part of the Rolling Stones, he is the guitarist for Led Zeppelin. Question number 3. What's Garfield's favorite food? The correct answer is B. Lasagna. Garfield is a cartoon cat who is famously obsessed with lasagna. Question number 4. How many years did Nelson Mandela spend in prison? The correct answer is C. 27. Nelson Mandela spent 27 years in prison as part of his fight against apartheid in South Africa. Question number 5. What is the highest mountain in Japan? The correct answer is C. Mount Fuji. Mount Fuji is the highest mountain in Japan, standing at 3,776 meters, 12,389 feet. Question number 6. How high is Mount Everest? The correct answer is B. 8,849 m. Mount Everest is the highest mountain in the world, standing at 8,849 meters, 29,032 feet, above sea level. Question number 7. Which chemical element has Ag as a symbol? The correct answer is B. Silver. Ag is the chemical symbol for silver. Question number 8. How many elements are there on the periodic table? The correct answer is A. 118. There are currently 118 known elements on the periodic table. Question number 9. When is St. Patrick's Day? The correct answer is B. March 17th. St. Patrick's Day is celebrated on the 17th of March each year in honor of St. Patrick, the patron saint of Ireland. Question number 10. Who painted Girl with a Pearl Earring? The correct answer is A. Johannes Vermeer. Girl with a Pearl Earring is a famous painting by the Dutch artist Johannes Vermeer, who is known for his use of light and color. Did you get them all right? I hope you learned something. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. And don't forget to leave a comment below with your score. See you in the next video.
Damn.